Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can animate stickers on CapCut PC. So go to stickers and select the sticker that you want to animate. I'm just going to select one from Shimmer because I think these stickers are super pretty. I don't know why I said stickers like that, sorry. They do have an animation already on them, by the way. Like some of them like move, like this one, but some of them don't. So for instance, like this one, you want to add more animations to it. Let's just add a background real quick. And then I'm just going to select this. And as you can see, there's an animation tab. There's like an in animation. And there's also like a loop animation. And also they have like an out animation as well. So it looks like that. But you can even add in like another animation. So right click, create compound clip, and then go to animation, and then you have this other animation that you can use. But that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!